2020 Toyota GR Supra ready for the road. In January 2019, the fifth-generation GR Supra, the first global Toyota GAZOO Racing model, made its undisguised world debut at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, ending years of anticipation and speculation among sports car enthusiasts around the world. Behind the new Supra is a 50-plus year lineage of unique Toyota sports and GT cars. Ahead of it awaits the world's great driving roads, some of which were used to develop this all-new expression of Toyota pure sports car performance. The 2020 Supra goes on sale this July and will be available in two grades, 3.0 and 3.0 Premium, as well as an exclusive launch edition based on the 3.0 Premium grade. Driving enthusiasts can look forward to an exhilarating blend of power, precision and agility thanks to a rear-wheel drive design that honors Toyota sports car heritage with its low center of gravity and optimal weight balance. There is a strong connection to Toyota's 1967, 2000, GT and 1993 to 2002 Supra in both design and mechanical configuration. Yet the 2020 Supra is a fully forward-looking sports car, brimming with a cutting-edge powertrain, chassis and multimedia technology. By defining specific performance and handling targets early in development, Toyota GAZOO Racing in Japan, with much input from Toyota Motor North America and Toyota Motor Europe, imbued the Supra with its own driving characteristics. While posting the kind of performance numbers that excite enthusiasts, the 2020 Supra will reward drivers of all skill levels with a thrilling sports car feel, even in everyday driving. Toyota president and master driver Akio Toyoda tested the Supra on the Nürburgring and other racing venues to give his personal feedback to ensure this new model would exceed the expectations of Supra fans across the globe. Supra devotees have waited a long time for the next generation model, and they will find the 2020 Supra was well worth the wait. The 2020 Supra will feature a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six that will produce 335 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque. The torque comes on strong from very low engine speeds, thanks to a combination of a twin-scroll turbocharger, direct fuel injection and continuously variable timing on both the intake and exhaust camshafts. Engine response is further enhanced thanks to the inline-six's variable intake valve lift system that adjusts intake valve timing and duration. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers quick up and down shifts and features paddle shifters for manual control when desired. Short ratios for the lower gears and a launch control function, which is not intended for use on public roads or for repeated short-interval use, enable powerful acceleration with maximum traction. Toyota estimates 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 4.1 seconds, which makes it the quickest Toyota-branded production vehicle to date. Top track speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. The 2020 Supra offers two driving modes, normal and sport. Sport mode sharpens throttle response, increasing steering weight, improving transmission shift crispness, more aggressive active differential tuning and amplifying exhaust sound. Traction mode is part of the vehicle stability control system and when selected provides track driving capability by reducing intervention of the traction and stability control functions. Launch control is available when the vehicle is in sport and traction mode. For performance driving enthusiasts, the Supra will have an active differential that uses an electric motor and multi-plate clutches to control lateral torque. The active differential precisely controls torque distribution between the rear wheels, with stepless variable locking from 0 to 100%. The differential can control torque distribution between the rear wheels when cornering under both acceleration and braking, enabling greater momentum through a corner. The initial 1,500 production Supras for the US will be launch edition models. Each will be uniquely numbered and have distinctive features signifying the exclusivity and excitement of Supra's return. The Supra Launch Edition is available in exterior colors of Absolute Zero White, Nocturnal Black or Renaissance Red 2.0, each featuring high-contrast red mirror caps and 19-inch forged matte black alloy wheels.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.